Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another mobile app tutorial. Today we're on Instagram and I'm going to show you how to make your account private. Okay, so here we are in the Instagram app. Let's go ahead and swipe over to the home feed. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your account private. So this is if you don't want random people snooping on your account. When you're private, basically only your friends can see your content. So in order to do this, you want to tap your profile icon in the tab bar on the bottom right corner. And then once you're on your profile, there will be 3 lines in the top right corner, so you can tap that to open up a menu. Once you're on this menu, you want to tap on settings and it will open up another menu. And then once you're here, you want to tap on privacy. And that's right there towards the middle. And then the one you want to look for is connections. So under connections, it'll say account privacy, so you can tap on that. And you can see mine is on public right now. And it says when your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos and videos on Instagram. Your existing followers won't be affected. So it basically means once someone follows you, or once you accept them to follow you, they will be able to see your content. And if they're not following you, then they can't see your content. You just want to turn on this toggle here in the top right corner. My account is on a business account, so I can't actually turn this on anyways. You can't have a private business account. It's only for personal accounts. But that's how you would turn it on. And then once it's on, only people that are following you can see your content. If you're on a business account and you want to switch back to a personal account, just go back here, scroll down to where it says account, tap on that. And then on the very bottom, you can tap switch to personal account. And that's all for this one, how to make your Instagram account private. Hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Definitely check out the Instagram playlist with hundreds of Instagram tutorials. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear